Here is how I trim my cat's nails. I usually start off with Felix because he gives me a difficult time when it comes to anything dealing with his paws. I am so surprised that he is being such a good boy right now. He is making this a lot easier than what it usually is. He's being so sweet and calm. I am in shock. This is going so well. I think he's actually trying to sleep while I'm doing this. Lol, I hope he keeps this same energy in the future. Twice a day, I have to give him his ointment for his nose so that his small battle wound can heal. He doesn't like this at all. Felix usually tries to run away, but he's being really good right now. Next is Sasa. She's mostly easygoing when it comes to me doing stuff to her, but in this rare instance, she's giving me a really hard time. She needs this the most because her nails are very sharp and they grow extremely fast. I have to make sure that I secure her down when she's moving a lot while doing this because I don't want to accidentally hurt her. She hates it when I try to swaddle her like this, so I don't even know why I thought it would be different this time. One of my fears is being too rough with my cats. Even though I know I'm not hurting them, I can't help but think I might be. That's why I always try to be super gentle with them. I usually give up and let them be, but then there are times like these where I have to push myself to be more in control because it will help them in the end. I usually trim Sasha's front nails first because she doesn't like me trimming her back nails as much. She is being so dramatic, lol. She's finally calming down some and giving me an easier time. She hates every bit of this, but she loves me a lot, so she's putting up with it but not for long. I am almost done. I'm just trying to check and see if there are any more long nails that I missed. Here I am trying to also give her some ointment on her cracked paws, but she was not having it, so I just gave up and let her go. Until next time, smiley face.